Hi, my name is Kat Kerr, and today we're making art flags using Marabu fashion spray, fashion liners, and art crayons. I started by cutting a piece of muslin approximately about 6 by 15 and then started spraying it with the fashion spray. Today I'm using colors Sunshine Yellow, Reseda, and Red. Now, if you're not familiar with Marabu fashion spray, it comes in 22 beautiful colors. It's water-based, odorless, light fast, and soft to the touch. Now for my focal, I'm using my butterfly foam stamp and black fashion spray. I pour a little bit of the fashion spray onto a gel press monoprinting plate and I use it like a stamp pad. I press my foam stamp into the liquid, pick up some of that color, and then press it onto the muslin. I prefer adding the color this way as opposed to spraying the foam stamp directly because there's less waste. Next, I'm taking a gold fashion liner and adding some gold to the inside areas of the butterfly, and then later I outline the butterfly with the gold as well. Marabu fashion liners come in 18 colors. They come in a fine tip applicator and are ideal for embellishment and writing. Next, I took a black fashion liner, added some faux stitching along the edges, and wrote some words. Now at this point I felt like something was missing in the background, and so I pulled out some stencils and decided on this one that says the word listen, and I sprayed some fashion spray through the stencil. Now I really didn't want any spray on the butterflies, and so I covered them up with some cardstock and just added the design to the open areas of the flag. Here I'm using a white fashion liner and going over the words that I wrote just to help them pop. After waiting about 2 hours for the fabric to completely dry, I heat set it with an iron. If your fabric isn't completely dry, make sure you put a layer in between the iron and the flag so you don't get any color on your iron. Next, I take the panel over to my sewing machine and stitch the top and bottom to a piece of burlap. Here I'm trimming the edges of the burlap, and then I add some fabric glue to the edges so that they stay intact. So I came across these wooden spoons in my stash and I thought they would make a perfect hanger for the flags. So I added some color using Marabu art crayons. Marabu art crayons come in 25 colors. They're water soluble and perfect for wet and dry techniques. I finished the spoon hanger by drilling a hole and adding some words and dots using a white Sharpie. The only thing left to do was add the wire. These were fun and easy to make and perfect for giving away on Mother's Day. For more ideas using Marabu products, visit MarabuCreativeUSA.com. Thanks for watching.